Hi everyone, I've been diving into Agentic AI lately, and as an app developer, I wanted to apply what I'm learning to something real. So I picked one of my own published apps, Sugarwise, a diabetes diary app that I just built and released on the Play Store. To explore how AI can enhance it, I decided to build a customer support agent for the app, trained on my privacy policy and FAQ document as shown here. I started by uploading my privacy policy PDF to Google Drive and then used n8n to fetch the document and upload it to Pinecone as a vector store. Here you can see the RAG agent workflow running. All green checks, meaning the document was successfully indexed in Pinecone, and you can see it in Pinecone too. Next, I tested my customer support agent inside n8n's chat window and it worked. When I asked questions about my app's data, it responded accurately based on my document. Then I tried building the same thing using Agent Builder to compare both tools. I simply added my PDF directly to OpenAI's Vector Store. Then in Agent Builder, there was a pre-built agent there, so I just updated the system prompt to guide the agent and connected the vector store as its tool. With just a few steps, it was ready, and when I tested it in the preview chat, it answered my questions correctly. Just like the one I built in n8n. Actually, the answers are a bit more detailed here, but that could be attributed to the fact that I used Gemini 2.5 Flash as the brain of the agent in my customer support agent for n8n as compared to GPT-5 Mini here in this one. This quick experiment helped me see how low-code tools, AI tools, are making it so much easier to build intelligent agents, even for app-specific use cases. Actually, n8n is also low-code, but Agent Builder seems to be next level. So at the end, I felt that Agent Builder is even easier for people with no background in coding. So if you're also exploring Agentic AI or AI for app support, I would love to hear what tools or workflows you're trying. Thanks for watching.